Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You have several options available for saving Elements image files. There are many formats to which you can save a file depending on your need. You can select File, Save from the menu bar to save changes to an existing file that has previously been saved. The changes are always saved using the existing file format. Also note that you can choose File, Save As from the menu bar instead to save an image that has not previously been saved, or to save a copy of an image with a different format, with a new name, or to a new location. To save a file and change its format, select File Save As from the menu bar. Then, in the Save As dialog box that appears, select where to save the file by choosing a location from the folder directory browser that appears at the top or left sides of the dialog box. Next, make sure that you have the name that you want to give to the file typed into the File Name text box. To change the file format, select the file format to use from the Save As Type drop-down. You also have additional save options that appear in the Save Options section at the bottom of this dialog box. You can check any of these checkboxes that you want or have available to you depending on the format selected. If you check the Include in the Elements Organizer checkbox, the image will be stored there as well. Finally, click the Save button in the dialog box to save the file to the selected folder location with the specified file format settings.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.